All right. Should I make it 0.5? Maybe 0.5 might be better. I believe in me. I believe in all of you. I believe in us together. Come with me to shoot a content day today. I will be going through how I make my content. I'll be inserting videos of me doing it, putting myself out there. And I'm always self-conscious when I come out, especially in public, in places that are not my rooftop. So it's a public garage, so I can take photos here. So you should always look that up to see if you're in a public space so you don't get in trouble. This is how I do it. I'm still starting and I'm still getting through it, but we can do it together. So come with me today. All right, so we're here today and I'm gonna show you my car. I have all my stuff in here. I think I'm gonna start getting luggages soon, but I got my bags and everything here. Bags and shoes here, shoe here, my tripod, and this is the clothes. I'm gonna do my first shoot in what I have right now. So it's closed off, but I'm gonna cut through. So this is the view here. It's actually a really nice place. I like it a lot. This one might be the one. We'll see. Okay, so we're back at the car. It looks a little bit of a mess. Okay, it is, it's okay. The car that was here is gone, and that spot I really like a lot. Like over here, the light there, as you can see right now, it's just like really luminescent, really well. It's not direct lighting, it's indirect, but it's beautiful lighting over there for my skin. This is starting to look better, so I might go back over here to get some shots because the sun is starting to move. And I actually saw some parts down there that I might like too. So we'll see. I've seen it. This is this outfit with the sunglasses, and that's number 2. This outfit number 2. So this is the location. I think I'm still gonna go back over there, but this is it right now because the light here is really soft and it's very geometric. It's kind of good. So that's my tripod set up, ready to go. When I take my watch off, I just need to know the sun is going down in like 40 minutes. So this all right. Should I make it 0.5? Maybe 0.5 might be better. I'm gonna change again. Outfit number. I'm trying to be organized as I go, but I know holy shit, I only have literally 15 minutes. I know the sun will still be a little bit like of a cast, so I can get through 2, but I really gotta go fast. Like I really have to. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Actually, be fucking rushing it. I really want to do 2 more. Really want to do these ones. So yeah, all right, I'll be back. I think this might be better. I still very much feel self-conscious because there were people driving by and I was like, I can't do anything. I'm just gonna stay here because I couldn't do anything. And I'm still kind of self-conscious. I don't know if I'm gonna get over that yet. Maybe, hopefully, I'd love to. But hey, that's what putting yourself out there looks like. You will be self-conscious. So yeah, let's get into this jacket and let's do this bit. I don't know if I like this, so I'm gonna actually review the video first. So I have to change. My makeup is pretty much done. I do similar makeup, so I don't have to constantly like, I do similar makeup so that I don't have to I mean, it doesn't look too different. It looks like I consistently have a similar image the whole time. So work smarter, not harder. So, and that's what I'm trying to do. If I can find my skirt. Ready to go. I am going to actually use the same shoes that I just finished with. So I'm gonna have to go back into the trunk. And I'm using a green bag this time. All right, so let's go, because I need to record. Look at the light here, y'all, please. Look at the like structure here. I really like it a lot. So we're coming back here. We'll sit on these two pillars here. I want to create a sitting shot. So that will be my goalpost to sit. I'm gonna get some shots here as well really quickly, and we're gonna see. We're gonna try to get what we can. We're back in the car. Officially the sun is gonna go down in 2 minutes or a minute. We'll still get like that dew color for about like 10 more minutes. So I have 10 minutes to get on my shot. I think I can. I kind of have go-tos in general. I wanted to try a little bit more different styles and sitting and propping up against something and just a different background in general from what I'm used to. And I think I pushed myself in that limit, but I will be trying some more, a little bit more pop color style, like Y2K, top views, down views, all these other views. We will see. Yeah, we'll see. At this point, my goal is just to get that last shot, okay? My goal is to get that last shot. I believe in me. I believe in all of you. I believe in us together, okay? And I think I can do it. Like, the sun is running. I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch that sun. Trust and believe in that. Because that's all we got. That's what we got right there. Okay, let's go. We need a bigger car. Got to get the last shoes out, and I think that's all I can get for today because the sun is literally gonna go down in like no time at all. But I think this time that side will be good because the sun is actually like out here. And there's Louise at the end. And so yeah, we're gonna use this one. The sun is going down. It will be fully out in like 25 minutes. So we're gonna use it, not even like 10 minutes. I am now finishing for the day. The sun is going down. I got 5 things done. I am super proud of myself. Like, really happy about it. Yeah, lost the shoe, and so yeah, we're going back home now, back into the car to change really quickly, put some stuff away. Again, it's always better to go with a partner. You feel safer, you feel less embarrassed. But I'm changing now. I'm about to go back home. This has been a content day, how to create your own content, for pretty much about probably like 2-3 weeks if you really spread it out and you really use your content really well. I could have gotten some more content, like some footage of me walking in the outfit. That would have been like way more content, but I was just in a rush towards the end. I got some in the beginning, but not in the end. So yeah, we are going back home now. I'm really happy. This is my first content day out of the norm. Every time I push myself to a new level, I'm always happy about it. So yeah, thanks. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, like, all that good stuff.